Hey guys, unalo siqeda kuvuna kutshalile la. Uthe uthi uyangena ekamereni waqhamuka nanga uthuli. Uthi phezu kwaSolomzi wehlwenyu. And look uthe by the look of things ukuthi she's enjoying each and every moment of it. Guys, come on, let us talk about this and more here on this video. But before we get into the video, I would like to request you guys to like it. And if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scoring down it so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. Let us quickly get into it. Now, ningaboni ngobuso bukaNandi bunjena ngicabanga ukuthi khona into enkulu ayibonile nombone isipoki cha akabona ngasipoki. Nayi nje kuphela into ebonile, the one that you are seeing on the screen right now. Ubone uThuli noSolomzi enjoying each other, and I loved the way uThuli was enjoying herself on top of Solomzi. You could tell that there is a body part of Solomzi that is deep inside her. I think whoever directed this scene killed it. You know, I never watched Deep Lake Door because ngangibuka TV nabazali back then, but I get why people loved it so much. These scenes were so, I don't know, but they were so exceptional. Now, after uNandi ebone yonke lento lena, uvele wahlanya same time. Ngabona ethwala izandla ekhanda exoma ukuthi akathini. Uphaphile naye. Uyacabanga ukuthi after azi ukuthi yonke into eyenzakala between yena noSolomzi iyafika, unannounced. Mina I feel ukuthi this is karma because if uyakhumbula uSolomzi bamba uNandi noSabelo, now that is exactly how Solomzi felt. That is why at the beginning of this video ngithe uNandi is having a taste of her own medicine because yonke lento eyenzakalayo is exactly what happened back when wakade busy noSabelo, and I'm so happy. Angazi ukuthi ngithini, and akukho okuningi ebengifuna ukushare with you guys on this video. That was all. So do comment down in the comment section, share your thoughts, share your opinions, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like it, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you're not TikTok. So thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one.